Hello, this is Mrs. Guysmith. What are the 4 L's of productive partnering? Say that with me. 4 L's of productive partnering. So here are 4 indicators that you're doing a productive job partnering with someone else. I know you've all seen unproductive partnering and been part of it. Your teacher says, talk to a partner, and the person's looking at their fingers or looking at the person behind you or ignoring you, or they start to talk to somebody else. Okay, that's not productive partnering. So what is productive partnering? Well, you know what? First of all, we're human beings, and one important way that human beings show interest in another human being is to look into their eyes. They say the eyes are the mirrors of the soul, and it is especially important in American culture and actually British culture as well, to make eye contact, to look into someone's eyes when you speak to them. It shows interest, it shows respect, okay? It shows human connection. And without eye contact, people wonder what's going on with you. Are you not interested? Are you not respectful? Is there something wrong with you? Perhaps autism. That's a sign of autism. Someone who doesn't know the social cues of when to make eye contact. Okay, so keep that in mind. It's very important to look at the person you're speaking to and look at the person who you are listening to whom you are listening. Okay, lean in. So we've got L, look, L, lean. Lean toward your partner. This shows interest in what the person's saying. It also makes it possible for you to speak in a low voice, a soft voice, so that you and your partner cannot be heard by the people at the next row or the people behind you. If everyone in a classroom of 20, 30 people leans in when they talk to their partner, it makes for a less noisy classroom. And it also shows interest, respect, and awareness of the importance of what someone else can contribute. It's a good thing. So look at your partner's eyes, lean in towards your partner. Okay, so we know what this is called, remote control, and there's the volume button. There's increasing the volume and decreasing the volume. So lower your voice when you're talking with a partner, when you're talking in a small group. Of course, if you're speaking to the class, you have something to share to the class, then you want to hit this button, this imaginary button, and raise your voice so that everyone can hear you. Okay? But when speaking in partners or small groups, lower your voice. The teacher should be able to hear your group when she walks by or he walks by, but not across the room. And listen attentively. Okay? Holding one's ear out with a hand is a universal sign for listening. Attentively means you're paying attention as you listen, not thinking about what you're going to eat for lunch or the Snapchat you just received. Okay, so what are the 4 L's? Look at your partner's eyes, lean toward your partner, lower your voice, and listen attentively. Now those 4 L's also apply in a classroom dynamic when you're listening to a teacher lecture or give you a lesson. They also apply if you're going for a job interview. These are very important, these 4 L's, to getting a job. Looking at the person in their eyes, leaning in, okay, using the right level of voice, not too loud, not too soft, and listening attentively to what your interviewer is saying to you. Very important to getting a job. Essentially, these 4 L's show maturity, consideration, respect for the humanity of another. Okay, so look, lean, lower, and listen. And I would greatly appreciate it if you would look at me in the eye when I'm speaking to you. Lean in towards me. Obviously, you're sitting at your desk. I might be standing up. So what does that mean? It means you're not leaning back in your seat. You're not putting your head down. You're showing interest. And obviously lowering your voice and listening attentively makes sense. Okay, the 4 L's of productive partnering.